Hi Falcons, all of you, both ex-students, ex-athletes. It is the deepest pleasure I've experienced in a long time to be here at DC today. This helmet means so much to me, just as this school means so much to me. I can't even begin to tell you what a great thrill it was for me to walk through the facilities again before the season this year. Let me say that we need some help. We need a lot of help in putting together a new workout room for our athletes and athlete scholars. And I must tell you that we need everyone's help. Doesn't have to be a big contribution, but whatever contribution you make would be appreciated. I can assure you, I'm going to be involved, and there are going to be a lot of ex-players and students who are going to be involved as well. This helmet means so much to me and to many of you, and this whole institution is a great place. And it is remarkable compared to what it looked like 50 years ago. But I will tell you this, it is going to continue to be a great facility. So please, when you get the information about trying to raise some money for our athletic team, our facilities, all of our athletic team, not just the football team, I'm very hopeful that every one of you will step up and give something to the best of your ability and that meets your financial circumstances. It's a great school. I am so proud. And I must tell you, when I was coming down Silvery Lane, I had tears in my eye. My eyes were swelled up with the pride that I have for this institution. It's a great place. It's remarkable. Please, give what you can and come out to the games this year. I'm going to be there for the first game, and I'm also going to be here for the Brother Rice game, I think on the 26th of October. I'm hoping that all of you will come back and support this program. God love you all. Thank you. Go Red, go Falcons, go DC.